Bitcoin halving is a major event in the world of cryptocurrency. It happens roughly every 4 years and directly impacts the supply of new Bitcoins. This event is built into Bitcoin's code to control inflation and ensure there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. So what exactly is a halving? It means that the reward miners receive for verifying transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain is cut in half. With each halving, miners get 50% fewer Bitcoins for their work. Let's look at the timeline. The first halving took place in November 2012, reducing the block reward from 50 to 25 Bitcoins. The price before the halving was around $12, and a year later, it soared to about $1,000. The second halving happened in July 2016. The reward dropped from 25 to 12.5 Bitcoins. Bitcoin's price was around $650 before the event, and a year later, it climbed to about $2,500. Peaking at nearly $20,000 in December 2017. The third halving occurred in May 2020, cutting the reward to 6.25 Bitcoins. The price before the halving was about $8,700, and a year later, it reached around $55,000, peaking at nearly $69,000 in November 2021. Most recently, the fourth halving took place in April 2024. Reducing the reward to 3.125 Bitcoins. Before the halving, the price was around $63,000, and as of July 2025, it has been fluctuating between $85,000 and $95,000. Why does halving matter? Each event reduces the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation, making the asset more scarce. This often leads to increased demand as investors anticipate higher prices. Media coverage and optimism also play a role in driving market sentiment. However, the price impact is not immediate. Historically, Bitcoin's biggest rallies have happened 12 to 18 months after a halving. To sum up, Bitcoin halving events have historically led to significant price increases, but with a delay. As Bitcoin's supply continues to dwindle, each halving remains a key moment for investors and enthusiasts alike.